Hello guys, so we're doing paint in the computer. So I'm gonna let you guys watch. Okay. You know, when we have school tomorrow and we go to the computer, oh my gosh. You know, when we have this lesson, our lesson is using paint. And then when we go to the computer lab, mine was ugly before, but it was now good. I'll show you guys. So let me just make a house. Okay. Then we have a triangle. We have a triangle here. Then we'll just put it here. Oh my god. Okay, there. Oh, why is it side? Okay. There. So this is the house now. We're gonna do the windows and the door. Okay, let's do it. Oh my gosh. Wait, okay. And let's try again. Okay, we already have the house box. I accidentally delete the triangle and the windows. Okay. Oh, this is too small. Okay, we're there now. Okay, so we're making a window. Okay, there. Look at my windows. Look at these windows and these ones. That's okay though. But look, it's so small. Okay, oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay guys. I almost dropped my phone, bro. Okay, now let's make the rounded triangle so we can make the window cross. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, so we have the door now. I already did the window now. This is the last one. And we can do the sun and the hearts because it's Valentine's Day. Okay. It's Valentine's Day. Almost, I think. Maybe it's already Valentine's Day. There's no like the lines of the sun. We don't have that. We only have the shapes. Okay. So we have the door. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's color this. Let's just color this. I'm already done. Okay. Now let's make the windows blue. Okay. Oh! What happened? I colored this. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So we will make the house. We'll make the box red, or I'm just gonna make it orange, and the triangle will be yellow or just red. Okay, let's do it. I'm kinda almost done. Is this yellow? Oh, wait. And then we'll make the sun. Oh, wait. We will make the blue backgrounds, or I don't know. Let's just make the grass first. We're gonna do it like green. Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't. What happened to my grass? Let me just draw that anyways. Please do not drop. Do not drop. Back. Here. Okay, now we're gonna make the sun. But let's make the background blue. And then we'll make the sun up there. Okay. Let me make the sun first. So, okay. And next, we're gonna make the background blue. Okay. Okay, there we are. But let's draw hearts. I think it's almost Valentine's Day. Or I think it's Valentine's now. Okay. Oh, what happened? Okay. Ah! What happened? Okay, there. Now let's color it. Okay. Let's just make 3 hearts. I already made one, so let's make 2. Oh. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay. Oh, wait. I forgot the heart. Okay. Okay, there. So we will, what is that? Wait. Is this enough? Or, okay. That's okay. Okay, so I already finished it. Is it good? So we'll save it now. Okay. File, new. Okay, let's just wait. Let's search my name. I'm just gonna turn to my nickname. Okay. Where's my K? Oh yeah. Okay, this is my nickname that my tito called me, Porongski. Okay. Don't mind this actually. I was gonna get faster. Oh my gosh. Stop dropping, girl. Okay, so let's save it. Let's save it. Okay, now let's close this. Okay, now it's here. It's here. This is all my painting. So, bye guys.